Hey everybody, I hope you all are doing fine. So, as it's Saturday, and most of you know that I observe a fast on this day, and I have also mentioned quite few times about chanting of Hanuman Chalisa, especially on Saturdays because there's a special significance. So today I'm going to talk a bit about Hanuman Chalisa and its benefits. Let's begin with my favorite verse. So this is my favorite chopai of Hanuman Chalisa. It goes like this: नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा जपत निरंतर हनुमंत वीरा. The literal translation of this goes like this: that the one who chants the name of Lord Hanuman or maybe the Hanuman Chalisa will get rid of all the diseases and pain. And diseases means it's not just physical, it's also psychological. See, Ayurveda believes that Vayu, that is air, the element air, is responsible for almost all the diseases. And Hindu scriptures believe that Lord Hanuman is the son of air. He is considered as Vayu Putra. So that is the main reason why Hanuman Chalisa works in all kinds of Vatic disease, I would say. It could be Parkinson's or epilepsy, schizophrenia, Alzheimer's, or just a little bit of anxiety or depression, or just your restlessness. It helps in all of this. I have been chanting Hanuman Chalisa for more than a year, as long as I remember, and it has benefited me in more ways than I reckon. I can be sure about it. I have mentioned about Hanuman Chalisa quite few times in my earlier post, and there were people who asked me about this, so I just wanted to clear out this. So I hope it's clear in your mind now. It's not just about this single chopai. You can chant whole Hanuman Chalisa, and there's no compulsion. It's not compulsory that you have to chant it loudly. You can just read it. Your silent reading is okay, and it's not even compulsory that you have to memorize it. Just read it from your Google, from the book, or whatever you have. If you know nothing about it, please Google it. You'll get so many information about Hanuman Chalisa, and it have helped me a lot. And since I reckon that there are so many people who are suffering from anxiety, sleeplessness, or so many thoughts going on in your mind, not being able to meditate, and serious problems like I mentioned earlier, like Parkinson or Alzheimer's, and all neurological disorders like epilepsy, schizophrenia, and more. Hanuman Chalisa benefits in all of this. And if it's not possible for you to chant the whole Hanuman Chalisa, just this one chopai, Nase Rog Hare Sab Pira, Japate Nirantar Hanumant Veera. Just chant this for at least few times. Like it could be 5 or 12 or 15, as many times as you like. But please give it a try. I am so sure that it's going to be beneficial for you. Please give it a try and do let me know how it makes you feel. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.